got to tell you, I think what's fascinating to me is that the corruption is just completely out in the open at this point, you know, because these kinds of actions where Trump tweeted out before this little pause, he said, this is a great time to buy. And that's really a whistle to those billionaires that can, or people that have money that can buy low and then the stock market prices go up. That's generally called insider trading, and that would ordinarily trigger an investigation by the Securities and Exchange Commission. We know now that that's not probably going to happen because all of these government agencies have been, you know, destroyed and dismantled. But someone with knowledge of an economic policy change that would cause the markets to shoot back up right before posting about how great a time it is to buy right before the policy change happened would certainly be guilty of insider trading in my
Well, let's see if somebody brings it to a court and says, hey, what about this?
I don't know that I assign that much strategy to it, just to be honest, because people who lost money, the wealthiest among us, even if they bought the dip, they still have less money today than they did before he sparked the trade war.
70% more.
Not than where the market was before. Yeah, exactly. Still a deficit
back
on before the trade war even began, which is, I think, why some of his loudest supporters, Elon Musk, Bill Ackman, were basically begging for the snag.
They want their money back.
And I think that